Bonjour à tous. Good morning, all. Welcome back to Learn French with Awolowo Root. Today, we are going to learn how to say the weather in French. Whether you are planning a trip to France, learn French for fun, or you want to know how to talk about the weather, this video is for you. We will cover important vocabulary, phrases, and even some fun expressions to describe the weather like a pro. Alors, prêt à apprendre? C'est parti! The objective of this lesson is to be able to say the weather in French, to be able to talk about the present weather, the past one, and the future weather. In French, weather is called le temps. Le temps. So if you want to say what is the weather look like, you say quel temps fait-il? Now to answer you will not say il fait beau aujourd'hui. Il fait beau aujourd'hui. Il fait beau aujourd'hui means the weather is nice today. Il fait beau aujourd'hui. And what would be tomorrow weather? If you want to say tomorrow weather in French, it depends on the weather. You can say demain. Demain is tomorrow. Demain, il va pleuvoir. Demain, il va pleuvoir. Demain, il va pleuvoir. Tomorrow, it will rain. The next sentence is actually related to yesterday weather. So yesterday in French is hier. Example, il faisait chaud hier. Il faisait chaud hier. Il faisait chaud hier. It was hot yesterday. Now let's look at some expression related to weather. Il fait beau. You can see the picture. Il fait beau. That means what? The weather is nice. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. The weather is nice. Next picture is il fait mauvais. If you look at the picture, you will see that the weather is very bad. So to say the weather is very bad in French, or the weather is bad, you will say il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais. D'accord. The next expression related to weather is il pleut. Il pleut. Just two words. Il pleut. It is raining. Il pleut. It is raining. This picture is showing that the weather is what? Windy. So to say it is windy in French, you say il y a du vent. 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 It is windy. It is sunny. You can see the sun. It is sunny. It is sunny in French is il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil. It is sunny. After it is sunny, we have il y a des nuages. Il y a des nuages. Il y a des nuages. It is cloudy. Il y a des nuages. The next work we are going to do here is to learn some sentences related to weather. Il fait beau aujourd'hui. Il fait beau aujourd'hui. The weather is nice today. Il pleut depuis ce matin. Il pleut depuis ce matin. Ce matin is this morning. Il pleut depuis ce matin. It has been raining since this morning. Il neige en hiver. En hiver is winter. Il neige en hiver. It snow in winter. Il neige en hiver. Il fait chaud en été. En été is summer. Il fait chaud en été. Il fait chaud en été. Il fait chaud en été. It is hot in summer. Il y a du vent aujourd'hui. Il y a du vent aujourd'hui. It is windy today. Le ciel est couvert. Le ciel est couvert. Le ciel est couvert. The sky is overcast. Il y a un orage ce soir. Ce soir is tonight. Il y a un orage ce soir. There is a storm tonight. Il fait froid en décembre. Décembre is December. Il fait froid en décembre. It is cold in December. Le soleil brille. Le soleil est du sun. Le soleil brille. The sun is shining. Le soleil brille. Now, let's read again the sentences without the translation. Il fait beau aujourd'hui. Il fait beau aujourd'hui. Il fait beau aujourd'hui. Il pleut depuis ce matin. Il pleut depuis ce matin. Il pleut depuis ce matin. Il neige. Il neige en hiver. Il neige en hiver. Il fait chaud en été. Il fait chaud en été. Il fait chaud en été. Il y a du vent aujourd'hui. Il y a du vent aujourd'hui. Le ciel est couvert. Le ciel est couvert. Le ciel est couvert. Il y a un orage ce soir. Il y a un orage ce soir. Il y a un orage ce soir. Il fait froid en décembre. Il fait froid en décembre. Il fait froid en décembre. Le soleil brille. Le soleil brille. So these are the sentences related to weather. Now let's do a small quiz here. Quel est le mot français pour weather? Quel est le mot français pour weather? In your view, what is the answer to this? Is it le temps, le soleil or la pluie? Let me give you time to answer it. Okay, the right answer is A. So weather in French is temps. Weather is temps. So the answer is A. The second question is, quel est le mot français storm? Quel est le mot français storm? Sorry, the answer is already there. That is a mistake. So the answer is what? Tonnerre. Tonnerre. Alright. Tonnerre. Okay. The third question is, comment dit-on it is cold en français? Comment dit-on it is cold en français? Is it il fait chaud, or il fait froid, or il fait douce? In your view, what is the answer? All right, get ready to see the answer. If you pick B, that means you got it. So it is cold in French is il fait froid. It is cold. Il fait froid. The next question is, comment dit-on it is overcast en français? Comment dit-on it is overcast en français? What is your answer? Is it A, il fait nuageux, or il fait soleil, or il fait beau? If your answer is A, that means you got it right. So it is overcast is il fait nuageux. The next question is, quel est le mot français season? Quel est le mot français season? So what is season in French? This one is so simple because they look alike. So in your view, what is season? If your answer is A, that means you got it right. So season in French is saison. Saison. The next question is, quel est le mot français pour umbrella? So what is umbrella in French? Is it parapluie, B, manteau, C, chapeau? What is your answer? All right, if you pick letter A, that means you got it right. Umbrella in French is parapluie. Parapluie. Okay. We have now this question, which is, comment dit-on it is hot en français? Comment dit-on it is hot en français? What is it is hot en français? Is it il fait chaud, or il fait froid, or il fait frais? The correct answer is, are you ready to see the correct answer? So if you pick letter A, that means you know French, you got it right. So the correct answer is A, which is il fait chaud. Et voilà! Now that you know how to say the weather in French like a pro, from sunny days to rainy days, you are all set to chat about weather in any situation. So don't forget to practice these phrases, listen to the video over and over. If you have any comments, you can drop it in the comment section. And also, you can let me know, quel temps fait-il chez vous aujourd'hui? Quel temps fait-il chez vous aujourd'hui? What is the weather like where you are today? So you can write it in the comment section. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learn French with Awolowo Hood for more fun French lessons. À bientôt. Au revoir. Bye.